Now we'll show you the reports. This is daily transaction report. The last one you see, daily transaction report. If you click this, it will give you the daily transaction report. Date you can change. Just click report. All the transactions you will see. Today transactions, purchases and receipts, all. And if you want to previous day, you just click change the date and then report. You will see all. Suppose I put 01 of 1st August to 10th August report. You will see all the payment, purchase, sale, receipt, everything you will get on report. Finally, here it will show you the date, number, party details, and gross weight, pure weight, making amount, metal amount, total amount, tax amount, making tax, all. And you want to select all, unselect all. This one, you select anyone you want, only you need purchase, metal MPU only, click and then report. Only MPU will purchase only coming. And you want to select all, means this select all, this one, or unselect all, this one, like that.